Hi, welcome to LLM Red Teaming Training, and I'm Jitendra, your host, and I'm going to explain how to set up your lab before you can try some hands-on session. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is set up your Hugging Face account. Then we will see how to set up a Kaggle account and do some configuration so that you can access GPU to try out and run your own models. You can even also have an account on Grok Cloud where you'll get some of the LLM models, the bigger ones, hosted online for to try them out. We will also see how to get access to gated models on Hugging Face. Finally, we will see how to get access to Detox API keys that will give you access not only to various kind of prompts, but ability to evaluate models and also, in a way, access to OpenAI APIs too. And finally, which is optional, you can also have either account on your Google Cloud and apply for Vertex AI, or have a Azure AI account, or even Bedrock AI, AWS Bedrock account if you want to run your models on your enterprise cloud. So let's get started with Hugging Face account. So visit the site huggingface.co, and the first thing you need to do is set up a, go and register. And if you have already registered, log in with your login password, as I'm doing in this case. And once you log in, you will see that you have access to various Hugging Face models. Some of these models are gated, and we'll see how to get access. But in the meantime, I'll also show how to even generate access keys. So there is a place from your profile, go to access tokens, and in this access tokens, you should be able to generate a token, give a name, training. You can also, select read-only tokens in case you are just want to access models and then create a token. It will generate a token, uh, copy paste that and save it somewhere. Otherwise, you will get access. You may lose this token. I'm going to delete it for security reasons, but this is a way to access tokens. This access token will be used to access various gated models. Many of the models are actually free, and you don't need any token to access them. But say, I'll give you an example. Say you want to get access to Meta Llama, say 1 billion parameter model, which is one of their, or maybe Meta Llama, we will go to instruct 1 billion parameter model or 3 billion parameter model, instruct. So Meta Llama 3.2, 3 billion instruct. Instruct is important because this has a chat interface or chat fine tuning that we will use to do red teaming. So in this case, you can see that it is telling you to register and apply for an access. So what you can do is you can read or go to the end, give your name like Jitendra Chauhan, give your date of birth. Maybe you can give, I'll give something, give your, the main important thing is to put the correct year, India, and then apply your organization name and maybe choose a title and then submit. Once you submit it, they will take like 24 hours probably to give you an access to this model. Yeah. There will be others like Google Gamma. If you go to Gamma models, they will also ask you to get access, but in their case, their access will be quite faster. Like in this case, I think they don't need any access. So there will be other models that we can get access. Uh, right. So once you have done Hugging Face account setup, I think you're good. The next step is to set up either a Kaggle account or Google Colab account. So we will use Kaggle account, and the reason for this is that we will have more powerful GPUs. The reason we are using Kaggle or Google Colab is to get access to some of the GPUs which they provide for free for limited time period, which is good enough for testing purposes. So in this case, go to register and register an account. Once you register an account, I'll sign up using my own Google account. The next thing you need to do is go to settings, and more important thing is you need to kind of verify your phone. So give your phone number. It will ask for give you a token, apply the token, and your account should be verified. Once you have phone number verification done, and now you can actually go and create your own notebook. So create a notebook, and the few things that you may have to do, uh, like this is a test notebook. First, make sure, go to your, if you have registered your mobile number correctly, you will see few things after creating the notebook. One is you will see an option turn on or off an internet. So turn it on if it is not on. Okay, you can also, get this option here on the right side. There's an option internet on. You can turn it on. Once the internet is on, now next step is you can go to settings and also select an accelerator. This is a GPU accelerator. For most of the purposes, we are going to use GPU P100, which is good enough to load Meta Llama models. And once it is done, you should be able to now run this notebook. Just click Run Notebook, and you will be able to see a GPU getting started here. It is installing few things, and your basic, you know, the notebook should be up and running. And if it is done, that's it, I think. As you can see that in our case, there is one of the GPU which it has loaded. I think it has not loaded a GPU because we are not loading yet. You can change the accelerator in this case, turn on GPU, and then again run it again. In case it gives an error, don't worry. Okay. And after some time, you will see the GPU is booted on, and this notebook should be able to run correctly. And your internet, yeah, you should be able to see a GPU running, and you have already run. You should be able to run this model. Yeah, that's it. I think this is what Google Kaggle account setup is. The next step is to also set up a Grok Cloud. This is initially this is optional, but then I think this is quite simple. Just go to Grok Cloud and just sign up. You will see this interface. You can also chat here. Hello. And you will be able to interact with various models that they have hosted. Some of the bigger ones too, like 70 billion parameter models from Llama and Mistral and other places. You should be able to also generate the keys using API keys here, which you can use to test to get access to these models using this account. So create an API key, note it down somewhere. We'll use it later on. Once that is done, the next step is to, I think we have already covered getting access to gated models and Hugging Face using MetaLlama as an example. The next thing will be to get access to Detox API key. And in order to do this, first thing you need to do is to go to the website and just send an email, go to contact us, send your email, name, email, and maybe write it down. You need an API key and maybe your organization name and hit submit. In 1 or 2 hours, you will get an access key. in your email box. So that's it. I think this is what we will need to start with LLM red teaming and AI red teaming. And if you want to even try this on your enterprise cloud, you can either try it on Bedrock, AWS Bedrock, Google Vertex AI, and Azure. I have used Google Vertex AI; it's pretty good and easy to use. Maybe I'll show the end of doing a LLM red teaming on even on Vertex AI. Yeah. That's it from my side. I think if you have any questions, feel free to come back and send me a WhatsApp or even mail me on jitendra@detox.ai. You can also visit our LinkedIn page, also like us on GitHub, and maybe send me a connection request. Yeah, thank you very much. Bye.